Hello students, today we are going to see chapter 7 questions 1 to 9.
Integrate 3x square by x power 6 plus 1. So we can write x cube as t. So you know x power 6 is t square. So differentiate this 3x square dx is equal to dt. So this will become dt by x power 6 is t square plus 1 dx by x square plus a square is equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So a is 1. In the place of a you have 1 here. So x is t. This will become 1 by a. A is 1. So tan inverse t. That is equal to tan inverse t is x cube plus integrate 1 by root of 1 plus 4x square dx. So you can do this in two methods. First method is you can straight away write this. So this is equal to dx by root of 1 plus 2x, right? It is a square, perfect square. So 4x square can be written as 2x the whole square. So the formula is actually dx by root of square plus a square is log of x plus, you write the question, it's a log of x plus root of x square plus a square. The coefficient of x square in the formula is 1. So this formula we can use only when it is 1, but here it is 2x. Okay, the coefficient of x is 2. So wherever you have x, write 2x. Then use the chain rule. The coefficient of x is 2, divide by 2. That is one method. Straight away we can use the formula. So I'll just write that first. So log of, replace x by 2x. So it is 2x plus root of, same thing. You can write the question itself here, 1 plus 4x square. Then the coefficient of x is 2, divide by 2. Then plus c. So this is one method of doing it. The second method is substitution method. So put t as 2x. So dt will be 2 dx. So dx will be dt by 2. So this integral will now change to integrate dx is 1 by 2 dt by root of 1 plus t square. We are going to use the same formula now. So that's 1 by 2 will come out now. 1 by 2 log x is t plus root of 1 plus t square. So that is equal to 1 by 2 log t is 2x plus root of 1 plus 2x the whole square. That is the question, plus c. Substitution method. So this method we use because you should not forget to divide by 2. So if you use the formula, just check the coefficient of x. That is very important. Okay, so just make sure you're dividing by the coefficient of x or use the substitution method. Third question, integrate dx by 2 minus x the whole square plus 1. So we can write this using substitution method. I'll do both the methods. Straight away you can use the formula dx by remember the coefficient of x is minus 1. So root of x square plus a square. Put modulus sign. Whenever you use log, please put the modulus sign. So here x, the place of x, it is 2 minus x. So this is equal to log modulus of 2 minus x plus root of, we can copy the same thing here, 2 minus x the whole square plus 1. Then the coefficient of x is minus 1. You have to divide by minus 1. So that we can write it as the minus, you can apply the rule. You know that a log x can be written as log x power n a, isn't it? The power can be taken here. So this is equal to log modulus of 2 minus x plus root of 2 minus x the whole square plus 1 the whole power minus 1. So if it is minus 1, you can write it as 1 by, isn't it? X power minus 1 is 1 by x. So this is log of 1 by 2 minus x plus root of 2 minus x the whole square plus 1 plus c. That's the answer. So the answer will change if you don't put the minus sign here. You will get only this as the answer. That is not the answer because the coefficient of x is minus 1. The other method is put t as the variable 2 minus x. So dt will be minus dx. So this question will now change to dx will become minus dt by root of t squared plus 1. So it is equal to minus log modulus of t plus root of t square plus 1. Okay, so it is equal to minus log modulus of 2 minus x plus root of 2 minus x the whole square plus 1. So this is log, minus is there, it will become 1 by modulus of 2 minus x plus root of 2 minus x the whole square plus 1 plus c. You can expand this, it will become, so you can write this as log 1 by 2 minus x plus root of x square minus 4x plus 5. In direct formula, if you apply, make sure that you are dividing by the coefficient of x. Question number 4. Integrate 1 by root of 9 minus 25x square. So this is integral 1 by root of 9, you can write it as 3 square minus, write as a perfect square. Okay, so 25x square, you can write it as 5x the whole square. Integral dx by root of a square minus x square, sine inverse x by a. So there is no 1 by a here. So we can use the formula straight away. I am using the formula here straight away. So this is equal to sine inverse x is 5x. Okay. So 5x by a is 3. Then the coefficient of x is 5. Don't take it as 25. X is 5. So divide by 5 plus c. Integrate 3x by 1 plus 2x power 4. There is one x here, so use substitution method. Okay, so this first write as a perfect square. The denominator 3x dx by, the denominator is 1 square plus, you can write 2x power 4 as root 2 x square the whole square. Put this as t. This you have to use substitution method, root 2 x square. So dt is root 2 x square is 2x dx. So x dx is equal to dt by 2 root 2. So this will change to 3, take it out. 3 integral x dx. X dx is dt by 2 root 2. 2 root 2, take it out. dt by 1 plus t square. So which formula is this? X square plus a square is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. So use that here. So this is 3 by 2 root 2, that is 1 by a. A is 1, the constant is 1. So tan inverse x is t plus c, that is 3 by 2 root 2 tan inverse t is root 2 x square plus c. Integrate x square by 1 minus x power 6. Write this as a perfect square. X square by 1 minus, you can write this as x cube the whole square. So put t is x cube. So dt will be 3x square dx. So this will become now, integrate x square dx is dt by 3. That 3, take it out, dt by 1 minus t square dx by a square minus x square formula, that is 1 by 2a log a. So a plus x by a minus x. So this will become 1 by 3. A is 1. So 1 by 2 log a plus x. So 1 plus t by 1 minus t. That is equal to 1 by 6 log 1 plus x cube by 1 minus x cube plus the constant c. Question number 7. Integrate x minus 1 by root of x square minus 1 dx. So you can split this into two integrals. This is integral x by root of x square minus 1 dx minus dx by root of x square minus 1. So here you can use the formula, this one, second part. This you use substitution method. X square minus 1 t1. So straight away you will get the 2x dx is dt. So this will become x dx will become dt by 2 by root. So this is equal to minus this is, so you can use the formula straight away, t power half by half. So the t power minus half, integration is t power minus half plus 1 by minus half plus 1. So that is t power half by half. Minus this is integration of x square minus 1 log x plus root of, straight formula this is actually. So it is equal to root of x square minus 1 minus log x plus root of, integrate x square dx by x power 6 plus a power 6. So this is again x square dx by x power 3 the whole square plus a power 3 the whole square root. So put x cube as t. So we'll get 3x square dx is dt. So this will now change to 1 by 3 dt by root of t square plus a power 3 the whole square. So this is 1 by 3 log t plus root of t square plus a power 3 the whole square plus c, that is equal to 1 by 3 log t is x cubed plus x power 6 plus a power 6 plus c. So put tan x as t. Direct differentiation of tan x is secant square x dx is dt. So this will change to now dt by root of tan square is t square plus 2 square is equal to log t plus root of t square plus 2 square. So that is equal to log tan x plus root of, you can write this now, tan square x plus 4.